In this video, we will introduce the FX7 unit's 2 mesh network group intercom functions. Multi-rider intercom, make friends mode pairing. When the 4 units are in standby, press the intercom button on each unit once. The units will announce the voice prompt, Multi-rider intercom, make friends mode. Then, wait for the units to pair successfully. In the multi-rider intercom, make friends mode, any rider can join the intercom at any time. End resume multi-rider intercom, make friends mode. Riders who want to exit the intercom should press the intercom button multiple times until they hear the tone, Intercom OFF. Riders who want to resume the intercom should press the intercom button multiple times until they hear the tone, Multi-rider intercom, make friends mode. The unit will automatically join the group intercom. Friend mode network pairing. When the 4 units are in standby mode, press and hold the intercom button on each unit for 3 seconds. The unit will announce Friends Mode Network. At this time, the unit enters Friends Mode Network. After the device enters the Friend Mode Network, the voice will announce the number of people currently in the Friend Mode Network, networking user 4. Determine the number of paired people according to the voice prompts and click the intercom button on any machine to complete the pairing. However, in the Friend Mode Network, once the paired units are successfully connected, other riders cannot join the intercom. End resume Friend Mode Network pairing. Riders who want to exit the intercom should press the intercom button multiple times until they hear the tone, Intercom OFF. Riders who want to resume the intercom should press the intercom button multiple times until they hear the tone, Multi-rider intercom friends mode. The unit will automatically join the group intercom. That's the complete tutorial of the FX7 2 Mesh Network Group intercom functions. Thank you for watching.